Women in the national capital over the Unnao rape case, and this is happening right outside the Supreme Court, we're told.
Screens right now is of women Congress workers who have gathered over here, and they are raising slogans against Kuldeep Singh Sengar, basically demanding justice for the victim. In the next few minutes, it is expected that the hearing in this entire matter will be taken up by the vacation bench of the Supreme Court, and then further decision would come in from the Supreme Court. But yes, definitely this has been turned into a massive political issue, and now members of the Mahila Congress party have now reached right outside the gates of the Supreme Court, where there is tight security that has been deployed, and all these women are now being detained by the women police personnel who are present over here and will be taken away from here. You can see in these visuals that a handful of women workers of the Congress party, approximately 50 to 60, have reached over here, and they are carrying out this protest. And within the next few minutes, the hearing is supposed to get started. So definitely, the political turn of events is something that can be seen happening outside the gates of the Supreme Court, even at a time when finally the Supreme Court has taken this decision, or the CBI has already taken this decision, that they will challenge the judgment that has come in from the Delhi High Court in front of the Supreme Court. So definitely the political drama has started over here. Within the next few minutes, the family will be arriving over here, and then hearing into this entire matter will start yet again. With video journalist Rajesh Bhardwaj, this is Anshul Singh for CNN News 18.